It's a jig! Okay, so as the title suggests, I'm a great fan of these Argo, the budget bulbs. These ones in particular are reverse bulbs. So we're going to test these against standard ones. Currently in the car I have Argo side light bulbs. And I was trying to be clever, that one's come out there. And I thought, oh, you know what? Let's try branded bulbs. So we're going to test the branded bulbs we have here, which are Philips, against the current ones in the car, which are Argo. These are Philips, as you can see. And they are Altinon Pro 3000 Cool White. So we're going to compare those against our budget brand Argo. Oh, it's running off, put that there. And the full beam bulbs in my car were 55 watt for some reason, I don't know why. I didn't put them there, so I decided to take a punt on these cheap bulbs that I found on Amazon. So we're going to give these a crack as well. So let's just check out Argo, and I'll tell you why I'm a great fan, because the side light bulbs that I have in the car have been in there now. It's got to be at least 3 years now, and I haven't changed them, and they're still going strong. So let's see what you get with Argo. Argo, British automotive retailer, 1 year warranty, LED for longer life, plug and play, 12 volt, telephone orders, order direct for discount. There's a website, www.argocitylimited.com. Unit 11, Wolf Run Trading Estate, Stafford Row, Wolverhampton, WV10 6HH01902 714 466. So let's open these up. Try and do it one-handed. So with these you get what? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 little LEDs. I think I've counted that right. 3, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 9 LEDs. Compared to the standard bulbs that you get, you just get, well, just like a light bulb, don't you? They're just a glass and a filament in it. So we're going to compare this against the standard, and then we'll see which is better. And same with the side light bulbs. Compare the Philips to the current ones on the Argo, and just for fun, we're going to see what these are like on full beam. So let's get to the car and get to it. Okay, we're going to start with the reverse bulbs. So to do it, it's quite simple. He says, unclip this clip, take it out of the way, and then to get this cover off, this plastic cover, move this tab to that way, and that's it. And you carefully move it out. And the reverse bulb is going to be that one. See, that's the standard one. Let's put that to one side. So the driver's side I'm going to leave in so we can compare. Okay, let me put this back now. Now, as you can see, to me, that appears a lot brighter than that. I can't see it that well on camera. The actual test will come when we actually do a video where we need to reverse. But to me, that does look a lot brighter. It certainly looks a lot better. Put both of them in now and they look a lot better. I do think they're brighter. It's a better spread of the light, so I'm happy with that. Now let's do the rest. Now let's do the front side lights. A bit of an arse to get to. There's the current Argo ones. So one side I'm going to leave Argo, and one side I'm going to put the Philips ones in, and then we'll compare. Okay. This side is Argo. That side is Philips. Now it doesn't appear there's any difference on camera as I'm looking through the viewfinder, but I'll tell you what, the Argo ones are a lot better than the Philips. Probably because it has more LEDs, when that just appears to have one. I personally much prefer the Argo ones. I wonder if you can see from this side. See what I mean? It's duller. The Philips one, the Argo one. Philips, Argo. A lot brighter for me. And the lens are clean. Might be able to see it better from this angle, I don't know. Yeah, you can just about see that the Argo one is brighter, which is on the left. So I'm going to put them back now. So Argo, in my opinion, a lot better than the Philips one. Okay, I didn't do these ones. That was a bit of a fail because the bulky round end wouldn't go through the hole of the lamp. Should have known that really. So I'll have to return them. Oh, never mind. It's a bit of a shame, but no worries. I'll get some different ones. We'll try those. Anyway, that's the end of the video. That's why I prefer Argo as a good budget brand. As I've said, if you go through my videos, I changed those side lights. Must be 2 years ago, something like that. They're still going strong. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.